Hey guys, so welcome. Why do I keep saying so? I literally never say so in real life. The second that camera, I press record, I'm like so. Today's video, I am very, very excited to announce that, it's not an announcement, what am I about? You've already seen it in the title. I am doing a kind of mini haul, I guess, of Cold Laundry, as well as being British owned. It is, right? Well, from the UK, from London. It's also black owned, which is like double, triple, quadruple points, and we love to shop black owned. This is my first time ever purchasing from Cold Laundry because every time I try, it's sold out, or I ain't got the funds at the time. It was actually quite funny, like, buying it because I was so like confused with how it was going down and what was going on. So I was like on Instagram, like in the comments, reading the comments underneath their post because the website was off and then it was on and then it was off and it was on, and I was like, oh my god, what's happening? Like, is this what happens normally, or does this mean everything's sold out? And then people in the comments were like, what's going on? The website's gone. Where is it?
Where is it?
And I was actually like, ah, what? Like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing. And I was just there, like, my phone, my iPad, my MacBook, my old iPad. I was on Instagram on my old phone, and I was just like, I felt like I was hacking the mainframe or something. I felt like a spy. Ah, look at that. Impossible. What's the sitch? How weird that that goes off at the same time that I say that I'm a spy. Like, this is the box. I like how they've got branded tape. How on earth have I got, I think I bought 5 items, including a puffer jacket. How on earth does it all fit in this tiny box? It's heavy, but it's tiny. So, well done for Cold Laundry for packaging, because they managed to get a lot in a small box. Unless they haven't sent me everything, then we're gonna have a problem. Okay. So, my first thing, how I love the packaging and everything. It just took me about 793 years to actually, you know, open the box. But now I think it's open. Oh, okay, that's fun. You get a nice envelope. Ooh. With, I guess, all the paperwork in. That's nice that they put it in an envelope. Escape the noise. So there's a few things in here that I really wanted, and there's some things I didn't know if I wanted, or blah, 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 so I was like, let me try them. The only thing I don't know is, I don't know sizes, but also my bank account wasn't saying buy more than one size and return the ones that you do and don't like, because money. So there's one thing that I wanted from Cold Laundry from the beginning of time, and that is their puffer jacket. So I finally got one. I was fighting over the colour until I think one of them sold out, so I was like, well, I guess I'm getting this one. Okay, so this is the first look. I really like it. What do you think? These don't actually go together, but I'm wearing them together because it's the first thing I pulled out. This is the, oh my god, what's it called? These are the Cold Laundry track pants in cream. They're like ribbed. They're really soft. I love them. You can see I've had to lift them quite high because I'm long. They're tied at the top with a drawstring, and these are the mediums, which gives me the fear a little bit, because if this is what the mediums are given, my other trousers are in a large, so I think I now know that I'm not a large in Cold Laundry. Oh, is this Ivy Park all over again? What do you think? Has it got a pocket? Oh, love that. It's got a pocket in the back. Just one. I quite like it. This is the, what's this one called? The Cold Laundry Dry Sand Track Set Top. So this comes with a set, so I'm going to change the pants out in a sec to show you the pants that go with this. This is a large. It's a bit big, but Cold Laundry is supposed to be oversized and all cool like that, and like, you know, chilling. Only thing I'd say is, I know, you can probably see my hair's different. I know I've got quite a big head, but getting this over my head, I had to like, so I don't really know what's going on there. Like, if you were to wear this and you want to take your hoodie off, well, for me anyway, my big head, it might be a bit of a problem. It's got a pocket at the front of the hoodie. Ivy Park.
You are dumb,
No shade, love you Beyonce.
unattractive, overweight, unworthy, untalented.
But your hoodie don't pocket. There's not much else to say. Again, it's just a hoodie. Plain, I like it. It's quite a thin material, but I really like it. I like the pulleys on the sleeves, so you can shake it up a bit. Ooh, but that's kind of hard to do. It's not that hard to pull the sleeves in. Ooh, I kind of like that, I think. And then you can also pull here to, I guess, change it up. I prefer it just baggy and dangling. But yeah, I'm not sure if I've got the right size in this. It's so weird, like I feel like I think it's good on the sleeves, to be fair. Now that I've done that, they kind of annoy me a bit. Can you see those? Can you see them? I'd have to tuck them away. Overall, I really like it. I just think it's way too tight. Like my ears are warm from pulling it off my head and it kind of hurting a bit. But other than that, I'm a fan. The cool thing is it's all wrapped in paper, so no plastic. So the Cold Laundry Dry Sand Track set top is £125. Their track pants in cream are £75. But so far the pants are my fave. You definitely don't want to wear these on a rainy day though because they are dragging on the floor. I'm going to change into the next outfit now, which is keeping this on but just changing the pants. The Cold Laundry Dry Sand Track Set Pants. These are £110. Oh, I really like this material. It's giving me linen vibes. Who's riding a bike on my street? Excuse me. So as you can see, the pants in a medium are quite long. Ooh. Okay, so these pants are a large, and already they're kind of, can you see that they're a little bit like tighter on my bum, but they also don't hang as much. So I assume those are the pants supposed to be oversized. What do you think? So it's got the pulleys on the legs as well. 2 pockets, another pocket on the bum. But honestly, I don't know how much is going to fit in that because, do you see what I mean? Like, ugh. Okay, so I actually like this as an overall. I really like the outfit. The only thing I'd say is, I think I've got the sizing wrong. So large in the pants, unless they're that material and oversized like that, doesn't fit, which is kind of weird. So these are a large, and they're a bit tight. And I know the different fits before anyone says anything, but these are medium and they're massive. So, do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, so far, my favourite thing are the pants that I had on first. Let me try and get this off. What's going on? Oh. Oh my gosh, is my head really this big? Ah! Oh my gosh, I love this. Right, so this is the, what was it called? Where's the package? The Cold Laundry High Neck Lounge Cream Top in a medium. It was £110 and I'm in love. But you see what I mean again? Look how much bigger and oversized it is. And it's a medium. I guess that's just the style, but I actually like how oversized and like baggy it is. And the cool thing is, because it's a high neck, it can open up and you can rock it like this. Can you see? So it like slouches over your shoulders. Or you can zip it up. If it'll fit. Oh! You can kind of zip it up. I'm not trying to cut off my circulation now, child. Coronavirus? Oh my god, a face mask. Okay, so it zips up very far. But as you can probably tell from the outfit I was wearing at the beginning of this video, I like me a high neck. I don't think you're supposed to wear it like this. I'm gonna have to check the pictures of how they styled it because this feels like I'm wearing a neck brace. But this, I'm in love with. And I think it's gonna look really nice with the other pants, because the first pants, because it's the same material, like ribbed. And it's really soft. So I'm actually gonna swap those out right now. Okay, so this is the look. This is very me. It's just chilled, baggy. I literally almost feel like I'm wearing nothing. I could be like, ooh, body, yada, yada. Not me trying to be make the stallion. Defo keepers. The track set. I like it, but I just feel like I've messed up with sizes, so I'm not too sure. Oh well, actually, it never gets restocked, doesn't it? So if they've got other sizes in stock, I'll try to do like an exchange. This is definitely my favourite look that I've got, and now the piece de resistance. The cold laundry grey puffer in large, £185. I'm praying this is the right size. I also low-key want the white one, so if the next drop they still do the white one, I might get that one too. So this is the puffer. I've wanted it for so long. I think they give slight alterations to it every year, but I think it's one thing they always bring back. It's a double zip, so there's a zip at the bottom as well as at the top when it's zipped. Ooh! I'm not even stuck in the fabric before I even try it on. Oh, maybe that was my bad. What do you think? The pockets are zipped. See, I'm so torn because I couldn't decide if grey was for me. But I think I love it. I don't know if I'd wear it with this outfit per se. Let's see if it fits first properly. Let me zip it up. I just think it's such a nice puffer. It's got the zips on the side for ventilation or fashion. Yeah, I don't know if I'd wear it zipped up, to be honest. Because one thing about me and coats, I love coats. I got so many coats and jackets. But I never wear them zipped up because I zip them up for like 3 seconds and then I'm like, I'm sweating. I went to New York in like winter and I wore this big poofy furry coat thing and I was walking the streets and I was like, oh my god, it was snowing. I was like, it's cold. So I buttoned it up and then about 13 seconds later I was like, I'm sweating. So I was just like, do you know, Americans, y'all are fun. I love you guys. When I was in New York, I was walking with that coat on. I'm gonna see if I can find a picture, I'll put it up. And people were like walking past me and were like, yo man, I love your threads. Yo, looking sick, man. Where's that coat from, man? And I was like, wait a minute.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
Whoa. Why is everyone talking to me? In England, everyone's like, oh, the pockets are lined. Oh, that's nice. And this is all I got, guys, so please let me know down in the comments below after you've clicked subscribe and like which were your favourite pieces. For me is this that I'm wearing right here. I do like those other two, but I think I'm going to have to send them back, praying that I can buy the other size. I think it's a really nice collection. It's a smaller drop. So that's another thing. When I was on the website, I was like, well, the thing that I saw on Instagram that I really wanted. See, I just feel like my hair's messed up from putting that hoodie on. The thing on Instagram that I saw that I wanted is like this 2-piece co-ord thing, because you know me, I love a co-ord. But I couldn't find it. So come to find out it's because they're doing this stage drops. So this was the first drop. I can't wait for the next drop because I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not gonna buy every single drop because I would be in jail because I'd have to rob a bank to do that. But what I want to do is the co-ord that I was talking about I really want to get, so I'm thinking whenever they decide to drop that, I'm gonna definitely see this. I'm hot already. Yeah, when they do the drop that has the items that I really wanted, the 2-piece co-ord, I'm gonna get it. And I'll probably be back on here to do another mini haul. So this was my mini haul of all the stuff that I got from Cold Laundry. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check out my other videos, like my Ivy Park haul. There is a giveaway on that, but I feel like by the time this video's up, it might be... No, actually, it won't be. If I edit this video when I say I'm gonna edit it, by the time this up, the giveaway will still be running. So if you want to be in the chance to get a few Ivy Park bits, go check out my Ivy Park drip to the black pack video. I've got another Ivy Park. Is this turned into a haul channel? Welcome to my hallway. Oof. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I spent 600 and something pounds. 650? I think I spent 650 pounds in Cold Laundry. And now I'm gonna have to wash all my clothes in the laundry on cold because I can't afford heating. That is all. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, amazing week. Hope you are living your best lives, doing the best you can do, and staying safe. Don't forget to check out that giveaway on my other video, which is up there. Check out any of my other videos if you want. And please make sure you subscribe because it's free. Why would you not subscribe to see all of it? Look at this face. Why would you not want to subscribe to see this? Like, come on. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Ciao.